these people on my side, or else you're fired!
Go on! Tell them what you think!
You don't know me, but my name's Cy. I'm just Cy, the O'Hare delivery guy. But it's Cy, seems Cy, like trees. Cy, might be worth a try. Cy, so I sigh, say, let it grow.
My name is
Cy,
Stan,
and my name's Cy, Rose. Cy,
our
Cy,
son was
Cy,
sleek, kinda glow,
Cy,
and that's not good.
Cy,
So we
Cy,
suppose
Cy,
we should let it grow.
Let it grow, let it grow. You can't reap what you don't
Cy,
sow. Plant a
Cy,
seed
Cy,
inside the earth. Just
Cy,
one way to know its
Cy,
worth. Let's
Cy, Cy,
celebrate the world's
Cy,
rebirth. We
Cy,
say let it grow.
My name's
Cy,
Mary, and I am 3. I would really like to
Cy,
see a tree. La 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 lee. I
Cy,
say let it grow.
I'm Grammy Norma, I'm old and I've got gray hair. But I remember when trees
Cy,
were everywhere and no one had to pay for air. So I
Cy,
say, let it grow.
like it did
Cy,
so long ago. It's just one tiny
Cy,
but it's
Cy,
all we really need. It's
Cy,
time to change the life we lead. Time to let it grow.
My name's
Cy,
O'Hare, I'm one of you. I live here in Thneedville too. The things
Cy,
you say just
Cy,
might be true. It could be time to
Cy,
start anew and maybe change my point of view. Nah, I
Cy,
say let it die. Let it die, let it die, let it
Cy,
shrivel up and come on, who's
Cy,
with me, huh?
Nobody.
Cy, 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 Sigh. 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 Sigh.